Introducing Dot from Wonder Workshop.
Howdy.
Dot is the brains of a robot. It's the best way for kids to learn coding and robotics with hands-on play. Right out of the box, Dot is ready to play, no assembly required. Once you connect to our Wonder or Blockly apps, you can make hundreds of games using the built-in tutorial challenges. Like making a light sword, or a fun magic dot ball.
I'm gonna go with maybe.
Wonder is easy to learn because we include hundreds of preloaded missions that teach coding in an easy, fun way.
Yippee!
You can save your games and take Dot anywhere without your smartphone or tablet. Turn Dot into a hot potato and go outside. With our Wonder app, Dot can be any gadget or game a child can imagine. Dot is even more fun with our Dash robot. With our Blockly app, your kids will invent endless ways to play with the two. Dot is the best introduction to coding and robotics with hands-on play.
Way to go!
The Wonder app is available on phones and tablets, and Blockly is available on tablets.
Hi.
For more information, visit makewonder.com.